Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm your teacher Sayyid Shanila. I'm teaching English Balbati and we are on the 5th chapter of the first unit. So let's begin the unit. So we are on the page number 11. So I hope everyone must have bought their books by now. If you haven't bought your books by now, please buy them. They are available in the schools. So let's begin it. So we had seen that Helena and her mother ordered Marukla for the first time to bring violets, and the second time they ordered her to bring strawberries. Now, on the third time, they ordered her to bring red apples from the forest. So they ordered her to bring red apples. So Marukla went to the forest weeping bitterly. So she wandered here and there in search of the apples. So what did she do? She directly went to the forest and she went to the mountain where the big fire was burning and the 12 months were sitting round on the fire. So she asked the months, "Please, kind sirs, help me." Great January nodded and asked her why did she come and what does she want today. So Great January knew that she wants something and so she inquired her, "What does she want today? क्या पूछा उसने, तुम्हें क्या चाहिए आज?" So Marukla replied, "I want red apples. So if I don't get red apples, my mother and my sister will kill me." So what did she say to the month January? She said that I want red apples. So Great January rose up. He went over to one of the older months. It was September. He handed the club to him. He said, "Brother, take the seat." So Great January rose up and he went to September month. He went to September month and asked September to sit on the high seat. So Great January किसके पास गया? September के पास गया और उससे बोला आप चेयर पे बैठिए, हाई सीट पे बैठिए. So what month September took the high seat upon the stone and swung the club over the fire. The fire began to burn with a red flame. The snow began to melt, but there was a cold wind that sent the faded leaves down to the ground. It was autumn. Marukla saw just one apple tree with red apples hanging high among its branches. So September ने क्या करा? September swung the the staff over the fire. इससे क्या हुआ? What happened to it? The snow began to melt. So, but there was a cold wind that sent the faded leaves to the ground. मतलब स्नो तो मेल्ट हो चुका था बट एक कोल्ड विंड ब्लो होने लगी जिसकी वजह से जो डल लीव्स थे जो सूखे हुए पत्ते थे वो गिरने लगे because it was the month of autumn. There's a fall in autumn. So Marukla saw just one apple tree with red apples hanging among its branches. So this time there was just only one apple tree, not too much, only one apple tree. So what did now September commanded Marukla to shake the tree. So Marukla shook the tree. Right gladly Marukla shook the tree. And first one apple fell down and then another. "Now Marukla, that's enough, run home quickly," shouted the months. See, Marukla shook the tree as September commanded her to shake the tree. Marukla ने झाड़ को हिलाया और उसमें से सिर्फ पहले एक ही एप्पल गिरा. Only one apple fell down. Then she shook the tree once again. Then the second apple fell down. "Now Marukla, that's enough, run home quickly," shouted the months. So all the months shouted at her and told her to run quickly to home and don't shake the tree once again. So Marukla obeyed at once. She picked up the apples, thanked the months with all her heart, and ran merrily home. So she took the two apples with her and thanked the months for giving her this chance and ran merrily home. So Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Marukla bringing only two apples. They were shocked to see, because last time she took apron full of strawberries and apron full of violets at home. Now this time she took only 2 apples at home, so they were shocked to see that. So they asked her, "Where did you get them?" asked Helena. So where did you get them? asked Helena. Helena पूछा, तुमने ये कहाँ से लाए? So I found them in the forest on the high mountain. What did she reply? I found them in the forest on the high mountain. And why didn't you bring more, or did you eat them on the way home? Said Helena harshly. So Helena asked her very roughly. Why did you bring only 2 apples? And they were like curious to know why did she bring only 2 apples this time. Helena thought that Marukla had eaten apples while coming home back from the forest. So Helena ने से रफली पूछा कि तुमने सिर्फ 2 एप्पल्स क्यों लाए, बाकी के तुमने क्या खा लिए? So on this, Marukla replied, "Alas, sister dear, I haven't even tasted them. I shook the tree twice, 2 apples fell down, and they wouldn't let me shake the tree again. They shouted to me to go straight home," protested Marukla. Alas matlab to express unhappiness, because Marukla was unhappy when they heard this claim. Which claim? उसने क्या क्लेम किया था हेलेना ने कि तुमने सारे एप्पल्स खा तो नहीं लिए? तो Marukla अनहैप्पी थी ये सुन के. So what did she say? Alas, sister dear, I haven't even tasted him. She told her that I haven't tasted even a single apple. I shook the tree twice, but only 2 apples fell down, and they wouldn't let me shake the tree again. She said that I shook the tree only twice, and only 2 apples fell down, and the owner didn't let me take more apples at home. May you be struck to death by lightning, said the wicked Helena, and began to eat the apple. It tasted so delicious that she told her mother she had never tasted anything so nice in all her life. The stepmother liked it too. When they had finished, they wanted some more. So Marukla was cursed by Helena. Helena ने से क्या? May you die due to lightning. तुम मर जाओ. Due to lightning. Lightning मतलब thundering. May you die to death by lightning, said the wicked Helena, and began to eat the apple. She did not give a single bite to Marukla. She began to eat the apple and told her mother that it is the most tastiest thing she had eaten in all her life. She told that it is the best thing she had eaten. The stepmother liked it too. The stepmother also liked the apple and its face. When they had finished, they wanted some more. So when they finished eating, they wanted to eat more. So, mother, give me my fur coat. Let's go to the forest ourselves and get the apples. So what did Helena say to her mother? She told that get my fur coat. Give me my fur coat and let's go to the forest to bring more apples. That ragged little wretch would eat them all again on our way home. We'll find the place all right, and I will shake them all down, however they shouted at me. See, what did she say? That ragged little wretch. Rag मतलब untidy, और wretch मतलब devil, ghost, villain. तो वो किसे पॉइंट कर रही है? मैरुक्ला को. मैरुक्ला को क्या बोल रही है? रैग लिटिल wretch मतलब untidy devil. That ragged little wretch would have eaten all the apples. उसने क्या बोला? उसने सारे एप्पल्स खा लिए होंगे जब घर पे वापस आ रही होगी तो. We'll find the place all right, and I will shake them all down. However, the shout at me means she wanted to say that I will shake the tree and take all the apples. Even if the owner shout at me, I won't mind it. So her mother agreed readily. They wrapped themselves in fur coats and shawls and off they went to the forest. So her mother also agreed with Helena. So they covered themselves with fur coats and shawls and went to the forest. The snow lay deep and they wandered about for a long time. But at last they saw the top of the mountain where the big fire was burning and the 12 months was sitting. They stepped up to the fire and stretched out their hands to warm them without asking permission or speaking one polite word. So snow was very deep. So Helena and her mother went directly to the forest and they went to the mountain where the fire was burning and all the months were sitting on the fire. So they went there. So they stopped to the fire. They stepped up to the fire and stretched out their hands to warm them without they asking permission or speaking one polite word. Matlab, it means they directly went to the forest and stopped near the fire. And as it was too cold, बहुत ठंडी थी, तो उन्होंने क्या किया? They wanted to warm their hands. So they spread their hands in front of the fire to warm them. फायर के सामने हाथ को फैलाया और गर्म करने लगे without taking the permission of the 12 months. So why have you come here and what are you looking for? Asked Great January crossly. January ने क्या पूछा? So why did you come here and what do you want? He was very angry by seeing their such behavior. So why do you want to know, you old fool? Replied Helena angrily. It's none of your business of yours, said her mother. So what did Helena say to January? Oh you old fool. क्या बोला? Old fool. मतलब January was the eldest among the 12 months. So what did Helena say to him? What do you want to do? Oh you old fool. Mind your own business. तुम अपना काम करो, said her mother. Old fool किसने कहा? Helena ने. And mind your business, mother ने. So Great January frowned and swung the club over his head. The sky grew dark in a moment, the fire burned low, the snow began to fall thick, and an icy wind began to blow through the forest. Helena and her mother couldn't see one step in front of them. So Great January was very angry on hearing this. So what did he do? He swung the club. उसने क्लब को फायर के सामने स्विंग किया. over his head. उसके सर के ऊपर स्विंग किया. The sky grew dark. Clouds और sky dark होने लगे. The fire burned low. The intensity of fire began. The flame of the fire began to slow. The snow began to fall. It began to snow, and thick and icy wind began to blow through the forest. Very thick and icy, full of ice, wind began to flow through the forest. Helena and her mother couldn't see one step in front of them. It was so snowing that Helena and her mother could not see anything. जब बहुत तेज बारिश होती, we can't see anything. Likewise, जब बहुत snowfall होती है तो हम कुछ नहीं देख सकते. So Helena and her mother couldn't see anything. They tried to find their way out, but the snow fell in huge masses, and they were lost in it. So it began to snow so much that Helena and her mother fell in huge masses. They were lost in the snowfall. They were lost in the snow because snow began to fall in huge masses. मतलब बहुत extreme snowfall होती है, उसकी वजह से Helena और उसकी मम्मी घूम गए. मतलब उनके ऊपर से snowfall हुआ ना, तो उससे they were lost in the snow. At home, Maricela waited and waited, and yet Helena and her mother did not come back. Maricela waited for them patiently. She was waiting for them at home. When she went to search for them, she found neither her mother and sister nor the 12 months in the forest. At last she returned home sadly. So, in search of her mother and sister, she went to the forest. She went to the mountain where 12 months was sitting. So, she couldn't find her mother and sister as well, nor she could find the 12 months in the forest. So, she was very sad and she went home sadly. So, good Maricla inherited the cottage and the land around it. She married a kind husband and they lived happily ever after. So Maricla inherited, matlab she became the owner of the cottage and the land around it. She married a kind husband and they lived happily ever after. So they lived happily ever after because Maricla married a kind husband. So what's the lesson we can derive from this chapter? That we shouldn't treat anyone badly because we will see, as you sow, so shall you reap. If you do bad to others, bad will happen with you. So it's always good to behave good with others and good will happen with you. Jazakallah khairan for listening me.